Welcome to this guide on using the Siovue Video Converter. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to convert your videos to your desired format and resolution. Step 1. Start by opening the Siovue Video Converter on your device. Step 2. Add the video you want to convert by clicking the Add Video button. You can also drag and drop the video file directly into the program. Step 3. Now, select your preferred output format and resolution. With Siovue Video Converter, you can choose from a wide range of formats to suit your needs. Additionally, pick a resolution that matches your output requirements, ensuring the best quality for your video. Step 4. You can also choose the audio and subtitle streams you want to include in the converted video. This is perfect for tailoring your video to specific languages or subtitle needs. Step 5. If you need to, you can trim any unwanted parts of the video or crop the frame to focus on a specific section. These options give you greater control over the final output. Step 6. When you're ready, start the conversion process. You can convert a single video by clicking the Convert button next to it, or if you have multiple videos to convert, click Start All at the bottom to begin converting all of the videos in your list. Step 7. Once the conversion is complete, head to the Finish tab to view your converted files. Click the folder icon next to any video to locate it in your File Explorer. And that's it. You've successfully converted your video using Siovue Video Converter. Thank you for watching and happy converting!